This is a common sense and simple step for the state to take to make sure we aren't locking New Yorkers into continued reliance upon fossil fuels.
Well, a big part of the state's push for clean energy moving forward tonight in Albany. Just in, state lawmakers have now passed the $229 billion budget for next year. That includes a plan to transition all new buildings in the state from natural gas to electric power. Now, this is a plan we've been keeping an eye on for you since Governor Hochul first unveiled it as part of her proposed budget back in January. Now, at that time, the plan called for all homes and buildings to replace fossil fuel powered units with zero emission systems by 2030. But over the last 4 months, that plan has changed. It's evolved to only include new builds. So tonight, our Sydney Ure is following up on the plan and what it would mean for homeowners right here in Western New York.
New York State's All-Electric Building Act is about decreasing greenhouse gas emissions and air pollution in new construction projects by phasing out the construction of new buildings with fossil fuel hookups. The cutoff for fossil fuels in new builds 7 stories or less is the end of this year. For buildings taller than 7 stories, it's July 1st, 2027.
New York State is working to help ensure that emissions are reduced greatly from natural gas appliances, whether it's a natural gas stove or whether it's a natural gas furnace or boiler.
And while HVAC project manager at T-Mark Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Ian Donnelly, says the industry is adapting quickly, Earth Justice New York policy advocate Liz Moran says you won't have to worry about changing right away.
So for most people, not too much is going to change. We are only talking about new construction in the policy that was passed.
Moran says polling conducted this past fall showed that 66% of New Yorkers support a mandate of all-electric new construction.
And it makes sense. This is a common sense and simple step for the state to take to make sure we aren't locking New Yorkers into continued reliance upon fossil fuels.
And with heat pumps becoming the way of the future for heat, AC, and water heating, Donnelly says there are several ways to install it in your home.
Whether it's a traditional ducted system, you can do that with heat pump technology with essentially an air handler, and you can also install what they call ductless mini split systems. They sit up on the wall or they sit a little bit lower. It's considered zoned cooling and heating using heat pump technology.
And this does your whole first floor.
This does everything on the first floor.
Donnelly says there are homes capable of making the transition to heat pumps, but for the older homes in our area, it's not safe to assume that they can without asking an expert.
A lot of houses still have fuses in them. A lot of houses in this area still have knob and tube wiring. In that case, those houses are not ready for electrification.
Since every home and build are different, Donnelly says it's hard to say just how much a 100% electrical build would cost. But as technological advances continue to happen, answers will become more clear.
Sometimes these transitions take a while to get used to, but ultimately become very popular.